Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
This is where the country was good enough.
Remember I told you dude, I sent them to the moon.
Inspired by the one that started it all, introducing the 1921 slider. Seared, seasoned, and made fresh for you. The 1921 slider from White Castle. Long live sliders.
There's nothing like a day of fishing. The preparation, the anticipation. Don't let a bad battery leave you landlocked. The power, performance, and reliability of Superstar batteries.
How you doing, man?
Not bad. How about you?
Great. Just doing some video.
Yeah, I see you.
Wow.
I watch your YouTube channel.
Oh, you do? Thank you for watching, man. Could you tell me what's in here in your name?
All right, so my name is Mike Malone. I'm the captain of the Team Based Outlaw Michigan chapter.
Okay.
The build consists of two dual aughts for power. I got 240 amp hours of lithium right now. I got 10 VXF 12s. Most of them are reconed. I'm working on getting them all done. I end up losing a tinsel lead yesterday on this here. I think it's up and over in this side.
Dang. Yeah.
And I end up bringing the plug just because I figured something would happen like that.
Yep.
And came in handy. So
Yes, sir.
I'm only on 9 subs right now, usually 10.
Okay.
But you can't really tell the difference.
So how is it wired on the amp, home-wise?
It's wired at 0.4.
0.4. Okay.
Yep. I had a series parallel them all.
Okay.
I believe it's, yeah. Wired them all down and then ran together. Ran that side to that side, that side to that side. My initial goal is to do 217Ks.
Okay. And is this like a 6th order?
It's
chamber?
So if I chambered it, it would be basically a 6th order. Yeah, my box builder told me if I had like a 26 inches into like a chamber on the front of it here, it'd create a like series 2 and 6.
Okay.
So I was like,
Did you do any SPL tests when all the subs were in?
with the way it is now, like I did a test kind of, the first initial test was like I put this one was here, this plug was here, and I had a messed up sub. I did a 57 on the glass,
Okay.
outlawed with the window down, that sealed, and then the kick was 58 something, almost a 59.
Wow.
And that was like I was under 40.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
And that's
awesome, man.
I haven't played with the port, none of that. So
Yeah.
let me see what we got here. I'll give you one.
Okay.
I'll give you one.
Oh shit, what's up, Jake Viral?
Hey, what's going on? How you doing?
EXO yesterday and Jacob today. I'm like, I mean, first time ever, yeah, then nothing stays in place when you're right at a 60.
Yeah.
The 55s did it. I had a 9-wall, 812, and it just demolished things. Nothing super crazy, you know. But for me doing a lot of the work myself.
Yes, sir. an efficient box.
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Yeah, I'm trying, man. I still got a lot to learn. I actually want to learn how to build myself,
Yes,
me
sir.
and my team.
Okay.
But this takes time.
Thank you very much for the
5 years coming.
5
man.
years
It's like-
coming. Awesome.
There's plenty more to come. For sure.
What was your name?
Mike Malone.
Mike. Thank you, Mike.
Yes, sir.
I get dizzy after being in it for a minute. Woo! Takes the breath away.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.